For us, this makes a warm, insulated, and able to accept hardwood slab foundation. So what do we have here? As I said, in the slabless slab house, we use type 9 EPS. Here we are using Halo's Interra. This is a GPS, graphite polystyrene. One of the things that makes sheet foams not necessarily very environmental friendly is the blowing agent that they use to create the product then off gases into the atmosphere. The blowing agent for the GPS is less caustic. It is better for the environment. It also degrades less, which means on an EPS where you might lose 10% of the R value over the lifetime, the GPS loses less. So we have a better for the environment and better for our insulative property product. The other thing that we have here is we have the load carrying capacity to be able to do this, the structural element of the foam.